Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find your connected friends activity on Facebook using a PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com in the address bar. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will reveal additional options. Among these, click on Activity Log. Now that you're in the Activity Log section, look at the left-hand menu. Under the category labeled Connections, click on Friends. This will display all activities related to your friends, such as new connections or interactions. That's it. You've successfully accessed your connected friends activity on Facebook using a PC. It's a straightforward process that helps you stay updated with your social circle. Thank you for following along.